In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of customizing your Google Chrome browser experience. So what that means is we will be setting up the Google Chrome browser so that it is your default browser, so that you will not need to go and open Internet Explorer when you click on links, or Mozilla Firefox, or whatever else is browser-wise is installed on your computer. So setting the default browser, and we will also be going ahead and creating a bookmark bar, which will come in handy when we click. We will basically make sure that we are able to easily access resources like Blackboard, Google Drive, the Linear website, and the classroom that you will be enrolling into. So the first thing I'd like to do is go up here to the three lines that are at the top, or the three dots that are at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. And you want to go to Settings. And you'll notice that I am logged in under the Linear account. FCPSschools.net will allow you to log in, but it will not sync your bookmarks. Okay, and the bookmarks are basically shortcuts to different websites that you go to frequently that show up on the bookmark bar below the URL address bar here. Okay, so you can try to sign in there. That's fine. And then come down to where it says Default Browser. Make sure the default browser is set to Google Chrome, and mine says that Google Chrome is the default browser, so there may be a button here that you have to select in order for that to take place. Alright, so, and then also I want to make sure that the bookmark bar is turned on, and basically what I need to do for that is show the bookmarks bar and then pull that slider so that it shows that it's on, and you see it now at the top of the screen. I can close out of this, or I can simply do a search for the first thing I want to do. So I could just go back to Google, and from here I can sign in, and it already has mine preset. So you would first put your username in there and then put in your password. So I'm signed in, and I want to go to my drive. There's a shortcut here that you can go to Show Apps. And then you can see the drive icon and select the drive. From here, you can go ahead and basically drag down from the padlock down. You see how I'm dragging it down to the bookmark bar? That's one way of doing it, or you could click on the star. So now I have my drive bookmarked. You can modify this by right-clicking on My Drive, hit Edit, and change that to just Drive. Or if you know what the icon looks like and you'd rather not have the text there at all, just hit Save. So now all you see is that icon. Okay. Now I want to go and bookmark the classroom. So I'm going to go to Classroom. It shows up right here. And I'll see a list of classrooms that I have. So I'm going to just go ahead and drag the little padlock down again, so it shows me all my classes. And I can close that out. So I have Google Drive, I have classes. Now let's go ahead, open another tab, and go to Blackboard. So I'm just going to type in FCPS 24/7, and there it is right there, FCPS 24/7. Go to log into FCPS 24/7, and this is the startup page, the login page, and then drag that down and rename if you want to. Just hit Save so you now know what the Blackboard is. And last but not least, look for the Linear Middle School website. So just type out Linear Middle School. Click on the first thing that pops up. There it is. And we're going to then go ahead, once this loads, drag that down in place, Linear Middle School. So I've showed you how to, once again, set up your default browser by going to Settings and set up the default browser and turn on the bookmark bar. And I also showed you how to set up your bookmarks that are going to be frequently visited websites that you'll be using throughout the course of the year.